In this video, I will learn how to install MySQL on Windows 11. Let's start. First, go to the web browser and Google search MySQL and press enter. The official website is visible. First website, double click. Where is the official website? MySQL.com. Downloads, click. Scroll. MySQL community GPT downloads, click. MySQL community downloads. MySQL installer for Windows, click. MySQL install 8.0 46. Scroll. Second one, click. Not thanks, just click. Automatically MySQL download. MySQL download successful. File, click. MySQL file location automatically open. MySQL double click. Minimize. MySQL setup started. Then this type will open. Choose a setup type, custom, click. Next. MySQL server, click. MySQL server 8.0 46. Move. Applications, click. MySQL workbench, click. MySQL workbench, click. MySQL move. MySQL shell, click. Arrow, click. MySQL shell, move and press enter. Execute. Installation processing, wait. Installation completed. Next. Same as it is. Next. Password, enter. Next, click. And next, click. Yes, next, clicks. Execute. Application configuration, finish. And next, finish. Then this type will open, wait. MySQL bin setup, file search, click open and C drive, program file, MySQL server, click, bin, click, arrow, click, copy, Ctrl plus C, minimize, search box, environment, click open, environment variable click, scroll, path double click, new click, bin paste, and OK. And search box cmd, run as administrator, click, on search MySQL space hyphen version and press enter. MySQL -u space root -p and press enter. Password enter and press enter. MySQL installation successful. Thank you for watching.